YouTube, what's up, YouTube, what's up? It's a little late. I ain't gonna be going too crazy with the voice, but we're gonna go ahead and just get right into it. I'm doing this video to help you understand how to use the support and the resistance line. Alright, and the purpose of the support and resistance line. As you can see from the previous video that I did on support and resistance, right, I'm gonna go back a little bit just so you can see. Look at the price, okay? For those of you who don't understand candlesticks, let's go to the line. As you can see, the price was in this range, alright? And as I said, if the price breaks through the resistance, you're gonna get a little uptrend, and it did just that. Okay, a little consolidation, it went up again. Alright, go back to the candlestick. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go backwards, alright? Remember what I said before. This right here is gonna be the most recent price. Anything to the left of it is the history, okay? We're just gonna go back a little bit. Look at the price, and look at the support and resistance, okay? Alright, you can see the price was in that price range before. Let's go back some more. See, the price range was in the same area again. Briefly. Alright, so you guys get the drift, alright? So before the market opens, which is in about 13 minutes, we're going to go ahead and make a new support and resistance. We're going to make a new support and resistance. And how do we do that? Okay, well, what I do is go to the current price, right? We'll go ahead and top that off. You want to see what happens when the market opens for pre-market hours. Okay. Let's fix that. There we go with that. Okay. So it's gonna be our new support and resistance. All right. So what are we waiting for to happen? If the price breaks the support, which is going to be your bottom line, then it will trickle down, okay? And if it breaks the resistance, it will trickle up. But what tends to happen, right? What happens in the after hours opposite tends to happen, okay? What happens in the pre-market hours, the opposite tends to happen during the market hours, okay? That has nothing to do with support resistance, because it's just something I noticed. It don't happen all the time, but it happens more than a little bit. So basically, we're going to wait until the bell opens to see if it breaks, which way it breaks. I'm gonna buy me some more shares tomorrow. I mean later on, I should say, after I take my nap. Okay, so now let's talk about support and resistance, okay? I want you to visualize yourself in your apartment or your house, whichever one you have, and let's go with apartment, okay? And you want to jump into the person's apartment that live above you. If you try to do that, you will hit the ceiling, right? That's your resistance. But if you hit it again, then you hit it again, then you hit it again, you will eventually break through, right? Eventually. Same thing on the bottom. If you was trying to go downstairs into your neighbor's house and you jumped up in the air, and when you hit the floor, you're not gonna go nowhere. You're probably just gonna bounce up. But you're gonna try again, and try again. Eventually, you're gonna break through. Okay, it's basically what's happening with the support resistance. All right, when you have the price moving around, it's like a force. As it gets stronger and stronger, it will push through whichever way the strength of the movement is moving. Okay. So for tomorrow, or for later on, right now for Sndl is looking pretty good. Starting to trend up. But I'm going to be holding this position a while and just continuously dollar cost average. Alright, YouTube, until the next video, let's look at my position real quick before we leave so you can see it. I'm actively engaged in this position. I was down way more, but no worries, just continue to dollar cost average. Alright, my total cost, as you can see, is my market value, as you can see. And here how much I'm down, 5%. Much better than I was. Alright, before we know it, that'll be like this. We got a Nino X, Lurk, LE. Let me write it so you guys can see. Nino, we got Nino on the beat. You can find him on YouTube. They got that fire. Yeah. I'm out of here. Peace.